Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add clips to Capcut. Let's get to it. The first thing you should do is click on this new project right here and choose the clip that you want to add to your project. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. Just tap on the clip on the circle. After that, you can click on add. And actually, you can add 2 clips or 3 clips. It's up to you. You can add it as much as you like. And if you want to add another clip, you just have to click on another circle. You just have to click on another clips, and you can click on add. Alright guys, and wait for a moment, it's still loading. Alright, and now the clip has been added to our project, and if you want to add another clip, you can simply click on this button, this plus button, like this, and after that you can choose the clip that you want to add to your video. You can repeat the same step that I have explained to you. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Just tap on this circle. After that, we can click on add option right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can add clips to Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.